If you want a venison marinade that will blow your mind, you need to watch this video. Hey guys, it's Junie the Orange Huntress here. Welcome to my channel where we bring the hunt home. Today I'm going to show you how to make venison stir fry. My family absolutely loves it. It's quick and easy and it tastes amazing. As we come into a new year, a lot of us are making changes to live a healthier lifestyle and to eat better. And venison is just one of the ways to do it. It's low in fat, high in protein, and it tastes great. So when you pair it with some veggies and rice, that's all we gotta say. I hope that you enjoy this recipe, and please share your pictures, tag me. I'd love to see and hear how it went for you. Let's get started. Your supper. What are you doing? This is your supper. Are you excited about it?
Yes.
Yes? Do you know what it is?
No. Wait, I think I might remember.
What is it?
Did we have it a while ago?
I think so. It's stir fry.
Oh, stir fry.
Yeah. Awesome. Thanks so much for joining me today. I really hope that you love this recipe and that your family feels the same way about it as mine does. I know with picky kids, sometimes that's asking a lot, but I really think that you're gonna absolutely love it. So remember to like it if you liked it and subscribe if you wanna see more content like this. And if you wanna share this with a friend, do it. Like, we might as well share the love of venison around, right? Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear how this recipe went for you and your family, and if you tweak anything or change anything, because that's always good to be inspired to do something new. Anyway, have a great day, guys, and I'll catch you next Wednesday.